In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Calendar app on Windows. If you want quicker access to Google Calendar without opening it as a regular browser tab every time, this is a simple and convenient setup. What you're really doing here is installing the Google Calendar website as an app through Google Chrome, which gives it a cleaner, app-like experience on your Windows computer. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Make sure the calendar page is fully loaded before moving on, because Chrome needs to detect the current page properly in order to install it as an app. Once you're on Google Calendar, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu icon. This opens the main browser menu where you'll find more options for the current page. From there, find the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. When that menu expands, click Install Page as App. On some versions of Chrome, you may instead see Create Shortcut. If that's the option available to you, click it and then make sure to check the box that says Open as Window. This is important because it makes Google Calendar open in its own separate window, which helps it feel more like a dedicated desktop app instead of just another browser tab. After that, click Install if prompted. Chrome will then create the app version of Google Calendar for your Windows PC. Depending on your settings, it can also appear in places like your Start menu and taskbar, making it much faster to launch whenever you need to check your schedule, upcoming meetings, reminders, or events. Once the installation is complete, you can open Google Calendar just like a normal app. It should launch in its own window with fewer browser distractions, which is especially useful if you use your calendar throughout the day for work, school, or personal planning. A helpful tip is to pin the app to your taskbar if it doesn't appear there automatically. That way you'll always have one-click access. Also, because this version runs through Chrome, make sure Chrome stays installed on your computer for the app to work properly. And that's all it takes to install Google Calendar as an app on Windows. It's a quick setup, but it can make your daily workflow feel a lot more organized and efficient.